Marlin Tyre and mechanical workshop software by Megabus integrates with Burson EzyParts, enabling users to search the Burson catalogue and return items to customer orders. Once enabled, EzyParts can be opened by clicking on the Burson EzyParts button in the Inquiry tab of a business planner booking or to the top right of a customer orders details list. If a vehicle was already added or has been previously used with the EzyParts integration, then its information will be automatically entered. If a vehicle hasn't been added to the order yet, then its information can be manually selected from the relevant menus or located using the search bar above. Once the vehicle is selected, the Burson window will show a list of relevant items along with their pricing and availability. These items can be added to the EzyParts cart by clicking on the Add buttons to their right. Recommended service items can also be viewed by clicking on the menu icon on the right and selecting Logbook Servicing. Once all of the desired items have been added, the order can be viewed by clicking on the shopping cart icon at the top right of the EzyParts window. To review the order in more detail, click on the Checkout button at the bottom right. The order can then be returned to Marlin by clicking on the Send to WMS button at the bottom right of the checkout window. The items will be added to Marlin's order details list as lot items with Burson's recommended pricing information automatically filled in. Individual item lots can be selected by clicking on the catalog item code. If there are no item lots available, then one can be added and then ordered by first clicking on the Add button to the top right of the item lots list and entering its details. A supplier order for the new lot and any other items needed to fill the order can then be automatically created and submitted to Burson using the Supplier Orders tab. Visit megabus.com.au for more information and take control of your workshop with Marlin Tyre and mechanical workshop software.